Are you currently feeling that persistent, nagging discomfort deep in your joints? Perhaps it is a profound stiffness that settles into your knees, making movement a challenge, or maybe you have noticed a growing, undeniable weakness in your legs. It is a frustrating and painful reality for far too many. But what if I were to tell you that a simple, humble cup of yogurt could potentially serve as a significant game changer for your arthritis and for your leg strength? Would that news truly surprise you? Before we embark on this healing journey together, if you are a senior who genuinely cares about your health and well-being, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel right now. Go ahead and press that like button as well, because each and every week we share practical, natural health tips. These tips are specifically designed to help you live a longer, a healthier, and a much stronger life. Today, we are setting out to explore 4 powerful, distinct types of yogurt. These are not just ordinary yogurts. They are varieties that are not only delicious and smooth, but they have also been scientifically proven to achieve remarkable things: to actively reduce inflammation, to genuinely improve the health of your joints, and to naturally, from within, enhance your leg strength. I must be very clear, this is not another passing health trend that will be gone tomorrow. Far from it. The yogurts we are about to discuss are absolutely loaded with essential nutrients and beneficial, life-giving probiotics. In fact, these specific yogurts are now being actively recommended by doctors and by nutrition experts to individuals over the age of 50 who are determined to stay active without the constant burden of pain. You have found the right place if you are truly ready to boost your mobility, to feel stronger in your daily life, and to fight back against arthritis in an effective, natural way. Please be sure to stay with us until the very end. The reason is that the final yogurt on our list is one that you have probably never heard of before, and it might just become your favorite new daily habit. Let's dive in. We will begin our exploration by discussing Greek yogurt, a true protein-rich powerhouse that your joints will absolutely love. You might think of regular yogurt as just a light snack, but I assure you, Greek yogurt is an entirely different story. When you compare it to traditional, conventional yogurt, this thick and wonderfully creamy version provides nearly double the amount of protein. This fact is far more significant than you might imagine, especially for people over the age of 50. Why is this so important? Because as we grow older, there is a natural and unavoidable loss of muscle mass. This loss particularly affects the crucial muscles in our legs and hips, the very muscles that are vital for maintaining balance, for walking securely, and for preventing devastating falls. Protein is the essential building block. It is vital for rebuilding that muscle. By consuming Greek yogurt, which can pack as much as 20 grams of high-quality protein into a single cup, you are supplying your legs with the precise fuel they need to maintain their strength and flexibility. But that is not all. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic, readily available source of calcium, vitamin D, and those incredibly healthy probiotics. These beneficial probiotics work deep within your body to lessen inflammation from the inside, targeting the joints specifically. Indeed, multiple studies have indicated that probiotics can positively influence immune function. They have been shown to decrease the levels of C-reactive protein, which is a primary, key indicator of inflammation for those who suffer from arthritis. This means that Greek yogurt is a dual-action food. It simultaneously nourishes your muscles while actively combating the inflammation at its very root. Let us now move our discussion to a yogurt that offers more than just sustenance. Let's discuss one that offers distinct medicinal benefits right alongside its nutrition. This is our second featured yogurt, and I assure you, it is not your average ordinary dairy product. This remarkable variety is uniquely blended with turmeric. Now, this simple combination of creamy yogurt and golden spice has been quietly but steadily gaining significant attention. This is not just passing interest, it is researchers and dedicated health professionals who are taking note of its exceptionally strong anti-inflammatory benefits. There is a very clear and powerful reason why this blend is capturing such expert interest. That reason is a potent compound found deep within the turmeric root, known as curcumin. Curcumin is no minor component. It stands as one of the most studied and most researched natural anti-inflammatory compounds available anywhere in the world. The body of scientific evidence is both vast and compelling. A multitude of studies have clearly and repeatedly shown that curcumin possesses the remarkable ability to ease joint pain. But its power does not stop at simply masking discomfort. These same studies have demonstrated that curcumin can genuinely improve mobility, helping to restore a measure of freedom to joints that have become stiff and uncooperative. Even more profoundly, it has been shown to potentially slow the very progression of arthritis itself. This is a particularly critical and hopeful finding for adults over the age of 50, who so often must navigate the daily realities of this challenging condition. However, there is a small challenge, a well-known hurdle, that has traditionally limited the full power of this golden spice. On its own, curcumin is not easily absorbed by the human body. Much of its incredible potential can be lost during digestion. This is precisely where the yogurt becomes the perfect partner. This is where it comes in so handy. You see, the solution to this absorption problem lies in the very nature of the curcumin compound. Curcumin is fat-soluble. This means it absolutely requires the presence of healthy fats to unlock its profound effects, to be properly transported and utilized by your system. Therefore, the simple act of mixing turmeric with a full-fat yogurt is not just a culinary choice, it is a brilliant biochemical strategy. This method significantly boosts both the absorption and the ultimate effectiveness of the curcumin. The healthy fats within the yogurt act as the perfect delivery vehicle, chaperoning the compound into your body so it can get to work. But the synergy of this powerful combination continues even further. In addition to acting as that essential fatty carrier, the yogurt brings its own potent benefits to the partnership. The yogurt's natural, living probiotics play a crucial role in helping to balance your gut bacteria. This is an incredibly important factor, as a growing body of research identifies gut health as a major factor in chronic, systemic inflammation. This gut-joint connection is even considered a key factor in complex autoimmune issues, such as rheumatoid arthritis. So, when you combine the potent, inflammation-fighting turmeric with the gut-healing, probiotic-rich yogurt, and then perhaps add one final touch, a simple pinch of black pepper, which is known to enhance absorption even further, you create something truly remarkable. You get a tasty, deeply soothing snack that is designed to work with your body, not against it. This is not a rigid prescription, it is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy this golden blend as either sweet or savory, depending on your preference. Some people find comfort in adding a bit of honey and cinnamon, while other, more culinary-minded individuals creatively use it as a flavorful dip for vegetables or a tangy, healthy salad dressing. It is wonderfully simple and easy to make right in the comfort of your own home. And here is a powerful thought to consider. This simple, natural preparation often works better than many of the common over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs you might instinctively reach for. And, importantly, it does so without the associated side effects. Therefore, if you are one of the many individuals who wakes up to that familiar, unwelcome ache of stiff knees, or you feel the discomfort of swollen joints as you start your day, this golden blend might just become your new, go-to daily ritual. However, here is the catch. While this turmeric-infused yogurt is highly, wonderfully effective at combating inflammation, it does not provide one specific, critical nutrient that your joints desperately need to stay properly lubricated and truly, comprehensively pain-free. That crucial missing piece is exactly what we will find in our third yogurt, a variety that most people, unfortunately, completely overlook. The third yogurt we will discuss is the omega-3 fortified variety. You can think of this as a much-needed lubricant that your knees have been waiting for. If you are someone who contends with persistent, daily stiffness or that unpleasant grinding sensation in your joints, or you frequently notice creaky knees when you move, you are certainly not alone. This third yogurt may be exactly what your body has been craving. Meet the omega-3 fortified yogurt, an emerging star in the world of functional nutrition. This creamy cup offers targeted support for joint health. What truly distinguishes this version is that it is fortified with omega-3 fatty acids. These are the same beneficial fats that are famously found in salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts. But why are they so important for arthritis and leg strength? Research has shown, very clearly, that omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid, can effectively ease joint stiffness, lessen swelling, and even potentially slow the deterioration of cartilage. This deterioration is a daily battle for countless individuals living with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. These essential fats function at the cellular level. They work by decreasing inflammation within your joints and, critically, by increasing the production of synovial fluid. This fluid is the body's own natural lubricant, and it is what allows your knees and hips to move smoothly without that painful friction. When you combine this action with the yogurt's inherent probiotics and calcium, you receive a twofold advantage. The probiotics support your gut health, which is closely tied to inflammation, while the omega-3s tackle inflammation throughout the entire body. You can even make your own version easily, simply by mixing a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds into a cup of good quality yogurt. If you have followed along with us this far on our journey through healing yogurts, congratulations. What you are about to learn next could be genuinely life-changing. This is not just for your taste buds, but for your knees, your back, your hands, and every single aching joint in your body. Welcome to the fourth yogurt, the collagen-boosting yogurt, a variety often referred to as the youth elixir for your joints. This is not just another trendy label. It is a true ally in the fight against aging, stiffness, and degenerative joint problems. If inflammation is the fire and poor nutrition is the fuel, then collagen yogurt is the water that helps extinguish the flames, all while rebuilding what time has slowly worn down. Let's take a moment to see the full picture. The bones that form our joints are not the only structures responsible for movement. Our joints also depend heavily on connective tissues. In fact, these tissues truly determine the health of your joints, not just the bones themselves. We are talking about your cartilage, your ligaments, and your tendons. These elements also act as vital shock absorbers and work to reduce friction. And what is the one key element that all of these tissues need to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free? The answer is collagen. Collagen is a fibrous protein that forms the framework of our entire musculoskeletal system. To put it simply, it is the very glue that holds us together. Now comes the crucial, critical point. Your body's natural collagen production begins to drop, starting as early as your mid-20s. By the time you reach your 50s or 60s, your body is producing far, far less collagen than it did before. This is not just a cosmetic issue reflected in wrinkles or sagging skin. It is a profound structural change that impacts your mobility and your posture. Most importantly, it affects the level of pain you experience. Without enough collagen, your cartilage starts to wear thin. Your joints lose their cushioning, they become irritated, and they are far more prone to injury as time passes. This is precisely where collagen-enhanced yogurt truly shines. These yogurts are not like the others. They are specially formulated with nutrients that actively promote collagen synthesis within your own body. Unlike regular yogurts, which may help with probiotics or calcium, but do little for connective tissue, collagen yogurts are intentionally fortified to repair and to strengthen. Think of it as giving your cells the exact raw materials they need to rebuild your joints from within. No magic potions, just targeted natural nutrients. So, let's dive into the details of those raw materials. The very first nutrient to look for in a yogurt, formulated to enhance collagen synthesis, is vitamin C. It is an absolutely vital component. It is essential for the body's ability to produce collagen efficiently. Let me state this clearly. Without a sufficient intake of vitamin C, your system simply cannot properly generate new collagen. During the complex process of forming the triple helix structure of the collagen protein, this vitamin acts like a molecular connector. It helps the amino acids link together to form the correct, strong shape. It also serves a second role as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your existing collagen from breaking down too quickly due to inflammation or oxidative stress. The wonderful news is that pairing yogurt with fruits that are rich in vitamin C, such as strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and pineapple, is the ideal, perfect combination. So, if the goal is to rejuvenate your joints, vitamin C becomes truly indispensable. Now, let's move on to zinc. This is a trace mineral, and it is often underestimated, but it plays a crucial and vital role in collagen formation and in maintaining your immune health. What does zinc do? It helps to activate the very enzymes that are necessary for supporting efficient collagen production. At the same time, it assists in the repair and regeneration of tissues and cells located within the joints. When your yogurt is paired with ingredients that are rich in zinc, such as pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, or hemp hearts, the result is a strong, synergistic nutritional blend that actively promotes structural recovery. In fact, having insufficient zinc levels in your body is directly associated with delayed wound healing and with weaker collagen fibers. This is exactly what you want to avoid when you are trying to recover from joint pain or degeneration. Finally, we must talk about the amino acids. These include glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, among others. These are the true structural units of collagen itself. Anyone who is aiming to rebuild cartilage, ligaments, or tendons needs to have them in abundance. Although your body can naturally make small amounts, their levels can diminish over time due to factors like stress, poor diet, inflammation, and, of course, aging. This is why supplementation becomes more valuable as the years pass. Many modern yogurt brands now include hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides directly in their formulas. These forms are beneficial because they are already broken down into smaller, more absorbable molecules. This allows your digestive system to process and utilize them far more effectively. And here is where things get truly exciting. Making your own collagen-boosting yogurt at home is far easier than you might imagine. First, start with a plain, high-quality Greek yogurt. The ideal choice is one that contains 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving. Next, add 1 scoop of unflavored collagen powder. This alone provides a significant dose of bioavailable collagen peptides. Then, include half a cup of berries, like the strawberries or blueberries we mentioned, for that essential vitamin C boost. After that, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of pumpkin or sunflower seeds to introduce that texture and extra zinc. Do you want an additional anti-inflammatory edge? A small pinch of turmeric and black pepper can elevate it even further. The final result is a delicious, nutrient-dense superfood that is not only flavorful, but also offers molecular-level nourishment for your joints. A growing body of scientific evidence supports the benefits of this practice. Collagen peptides have been clinically shown to reduce joint pain and enhance mobility in individuals with osteoarthritis. In one notable clinical trial, participants experienced significant improvements in joint comfort and flexibility after taking daily collagen supplements for just 12 weeks. These benefits were especially evident in weight-bearing joints, like the knees and the hips. And the advantages of collagen do not end with joint health. Remember, collagen is also the most abundant protein in your skin, your hair, and your nails. So, while you are nourishing your cartilage, you are also helping to firm your skin and strengthen your hair follicles. Let's zoom out and consider the broader picture. This collagen-boosting potential works best when paired with the other supportive habits. Each of the yogurt types we discussed earlier lays the foundation for these benefits. The anti-inflammatory yogurt helps to soothe the body. The protein-rich yogurt strengthens the muscles that support the joints. The yogurt enhanced with omega-3s acts as a cushion and lubricant. And now, the collagen-boosting yogurt completes the puzzle by giving your body the tools to restore what has been damaged. These are the long-term results worth striving for, true structural regeneration. Through this method, you can transform your joint health from within, rather than just managing the symptoms of pain. You are not just eating, you are healing. When your food is packed with collagen, omega-3s, probiotics, and protein, you are giving your body the tools to reduce pain, ease stiffness, and rebuild strength from the inside out. Consistency is what makes the difference. If this information helped you, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Someone you know might need this simple yet powerful remedy too. Thanks for watching, and always remember, one mindful spoonful a day can make your knees and your entire body feel renewed.